OMG. Gosh. Check it out. Check it out. This is microwave safe. Little Chef in OB Chinese food hooked me up with two of these free, microwave safe. All right, there's no little metal on the little Chinese milk carton. You get one of these. I already made a yam in it. It's good, good. The yam. I baked it. It's good. It's good. It's good. Yummy. Yum. Sweet potato. Look at this sweet potato. Good. Done. Put some marshmallows on it. Put it back in for 30 seconds. Done. All right. Next, pizzas with bagels. Bagels because you don't want if you get them fresh, toast them, put some cheese and butter on it. You don't get them fresh, wrap it up and freeze it, or wrap it up and put it in the fridge. I'm gonna be using Velveeta, but whatever type of sauce, it really don't matter. You use ranch dressing, okay, for and put garlic on it for a garlic Italian supreme. You use ranch dressing. I'm using Velveeta tomato. I'm going traditional tomato. I went across the street to the supermarket. They got everything pre-packaged. So I'll show you when it's done. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this into half. It's already old, but it's good. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of Velveeta on each side. I'm gonna I'm gonna put it in my given from Little Chef in OB. This nice lady. She just knew I was hungry. She gave me two of them free. You can filled with like compound chicken and stuff. Oh hey, by the way, no fracture. No fracture. I wiped out on my bicycle. It's all swollen. I'm using rice method. Rest, ice, compression, elevation. That goes to my alma mater. Because between him and Beta, we ran our asses off. And I ain't gonna argue about it. Okay, but anyways, back to this tablespoon, and I'm running Velveeta, and then everything's prepackaged these days. I got 224 on mozzarella. I got 253 on spicy spicy pepperoni, or in this case, cremeli cremeli pepperoni. That's spicy pepperoni. You look at round table, man, and I don't need to take it out of the package. The pepperoni is not as white as salami. It's still salami. So it's gonna go like this. It's gonna go like this. Crust, sauce, salami, or excuse me, it's gonna go like this. Sauce. It's gonna go crust, sauce, cheese, salami, pepperoni. And when this is all when this is all done, it's gonna be melty and yummy. And just like I made this yam, I'm gonna eat my pizza. Good luck, man. I mean, should taste good. We do it right.